All right, we made it to Epcot. We got another reservation for Guardians, estimated around 7 o'clock. So we're gonna, well, one, find a bathroom, and then grab a drink from the Morocco Pavilion. It's one bar that we haven't tried here yet. And maybe try to get on Ratatouille.
Yeah, try and get on Ratatouille and just
check everything out.
Yeah, World Showcase.
Absolutely. See how it goes. Seems like a blast. And yeah, it's beautiful right now. Great weather out. Hopefully some thunderstorms roll through here in a little bit.
That would be nice.
Be great.
We're here in Morocco and got some drinks.
Cheers.
Cheers. Some kinds of alleyways down here. Oh wow, look at this. Hold on. Look at this. Oh, wow. Old school. Old school tile. This is really nice. The Brass Bazaar. Lamps of Wonder. Is anybody comparing? Oh wow, look at that. There's a restaurant back here. Do it again, dude. Come on, do it. Hey, there it is. That's so cool. He's like that dinosaur that spits acid in
Jurassic Park.
The fat guy's eyes, and then he falls down the waterfall and loses his fortune in Jurassic Park 1. That's great. Oh, there's a bar in here. Is there a bar in here? There's something over there. This is so cool. It is crazy how detailed every land is. I don't understand how they did this. This is so cool. And it gives you an idea on what it would be like to visit the country. You know, I never knew this is what a cinnamon plant looked like. But now you know. What was the candle's name?
Lumiere.
What was it?
Lumiere.
Lumiere? Oh, that makes sense. Lumiere. Ratatouille's got its own land. It's a 70-minute wait. We're gonna try and do single rider. Dude, we get some crepes. Holy moly, I bet those are good. I bet those are so good. Oh, look at this line. Remy's Adventure.
I hope there's a single rider.
Yeah, if there's not, I'm not waiting in this one. So Jack, tell us what happened here.
Well, thought there was a single rider.
Turns out, definitely not. Definitely not a single rider. I think we need to cut over. But this is very nice. It's a very cool area. Oh well. That's a bummer. No Ratatouille today. Because we are definitely not waiting 70 minutes for Ratatouille. Maybe next time. Blizzard. What up, dog? Alright, so we are gonna do Journey into the Imagination with Figment. I've never done this before. It's a dark ride, I think. And I know I can take you along because it's Disney. And it's a 5-minute wait. It's also very dark out, and it might rain and thunder.
You feel that sprinkle?
No, I didn't.
I felt a little.
Oh, you felt a little sprinkle? Nice. Is it?
Yeah, we go upside down.
Oh wow.
Pull some amazing G's.
Oh wow. No lap bar.
No, you're flying out of this.
Flying through this.
Oh no, it's great.
Oh, nice. Well, I'm really excited.
On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination. Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, goochie goochie goo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Oh,
Who is this?
it's Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination. For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can start appearing. And each of us imagines different things from just a sound. Your mind has wings.
Now, all together, if you would please read line 3.
Oh gosh, mine is
With
terrible.
L-I-G-N-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye.
Especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Coming to play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win one cent!
Figment, don't! Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. What all with can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can
It's not that bad. That smells like chocolate, actually. He thinks it's really bad.
That's how you tell a skunk is not a rose.
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really clowns around. Things down side up and upside down. Imagination is the brains of the
Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, it's time to get back to the institute.
I know a shortcut.
So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from the
The sky's the limit.
Is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything that's new. One little spark lights up all you imagine.
That was great. That was great. Jack didn't like that. I love that. That was great. Figment's great. I like Figment. Yeah, let's run it back. Figment was awesome. I like the character of Figment. The Figment of your
I
imagination.
love the character of Figment.
Yeah, this is really cool. That was a great ride. 8 out of 10. Alright, the rain came. I'm gonna wait it out. Jack's putting on his flip-flops already. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let this 10-minute rain pass like it does, and then we'll be on our way. Hopefully some thunder comes through. That's what I really want. Nice. This is a rain. It just pours.
And this is nothing.
There. To show the people, this is what it is. Clear, 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 bam. Us right now. We're in the rain. Okay, and then go one over.
But you can't trust that. Look at the difference in that compared to that.
Well, did you see the difference between the prior and where we are now? Nothing, everything. What is that? Get some thunder and lightning. Hopefully. At least some thunder. Lightning would be epic. And we've got some good little cover here in this corner. And I hope I just get a lightning strike. So you always miss them. Anytime the camera goes off, we get a good one.
No band-aids.
Oh, you wanted a band-aid? Oh, poor Bubba.
It is kind of deep.
It's a good one. It's like you've never had a scar in your life. We did it. It is
pretty dry.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, no, I'm good. Other than my feet, which were expected, but look at this. It just started to dump. And we bought ponchos and braved the storm from Figment to underneath the ball, and we got a pass for Spaceship Earth. So we're gonna do that, but I just wanted to show you this downpour. I guess this is Florida rain. We were in Disneyland and it started raining and it was like a mist compared to this.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I hope you can see just how much it's raining. Is it the same weight?
Yeah, basically.
The same weight?
Lightning for nothing, but you know. Thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, glad we made it over here in time. Whew, what would we have done if we didn't make it over here in time?
I thought you said we were going.
Got it?
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch.
Now I'm so.
This is exactly the ride I wanted right now.
Yeah. And unfortunately taxes.
Oh, it smells like a campfire. That smells so good.
You cannot buy marriage, but buy computers.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
The rain finally stopped after a long rain, and a few drinks and much relaxing and one ride on Guardians. Actually, we find ourselves in Germany.
Yep.
And now we're just chilling. So I'll take you around for a little bit, and we got another thing of Guardians later on that I'll probably bring you along for. If I have enough battery. I barely have any battery left on any of this stuff, so. What does that mean? Just, the apple. Wait, what? Is Snow White German?
Maybe.
Must be.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I was today when I learned that Snow White was a German story. That's crazy. Oh, look at this.
No, I'm just listening to you guys speak German. Yes, we are. I took German for 4 years in high school, and I suck at it. Okay. I barely learned anything.
Yeah, no, terrible.
But what...
Here we are in Japan. I don't know if a storm is rolling in or not. It sure feels like it. But we're gonna head into this store here to see what's going on. Oh wow, they got everything in here you can buy.
So it's time to get tricky.
Literally everything. You can buy Pokemon cards.
No, he acts like one.
Yeah.
But when he
sure.
goes into like a different,
No.
like in those focus.
If you're a fan of anime, this is the store for you. This is pretty dope.
Kayla bought some spoons. Like, we use this stuff when we love it.
It's time to celebrate. Please put your hands in high.
Like this shirt. Oh, these are tight. $35. This one's only $29. This one's better than that. Dang. Ooh. Strong insect smell. There's little letter openers for the marble swords. Shirazaya. Kimchi. Jintachi, the dragon. Ooh, look at that thing. What? Damn. These are tight. Kinda tempted. I'm not gonna. It's kinda interesting. Very different snacks than what we're used to. Ooh, these are probably pretty damn good. I'm sure everything is good. Well, after another ride on Guardians at the end of the night, I can confirm that is the best ride in the area. By far. Man, I would pay big money to just ride that all night. All night long.
It's so good.
All night long. And we got the same song as we did at first.
Yeah, yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah. I Ran So Far Away, Flock of Seagulls. And I love that song. Banger. It was so good, just as the first one. So if you haven't seen that part, go back and watch that one. That one's a good one. Today was just a chill day, and we didn't really, I didn't film as much. I didn't have, I wasn't prepared like I was yesterday with the batteries and everything else like that. And we were just kind of chilling, doing the same thing we did yesterday anyway. Just more chill and more drinks. So,
And like,
You didn't like it?
when they say any row is a good row, like,
Did you not like it?
really is true that any row is the best row in the house. Like,
Yeah.
it is
I would agree
good
with that.
in any row. It's so good. Front is fantastic, but any row that you get is amazing.
Yeah, the row we had was 4, and it was
It's amazing.
awesome. Airtime in all the right places
Yeah.
there was before.
Yeah, it was really good.
No complaints. If not better than front, like, I don't know.
I mean,
don't know.
Yeah.
It was all so good, and I wish I could just get in a standby line right now. It's just we can't. It's only virtual queue, and we can't do virtual queue twice. So that's that. So with that, it ends the vlogs from the trip. It was a blast. I hope people enjoy watching these vlogs, and it's gonna take me a while to edit them, but that's But with that being said, have a great time, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.